In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in Expensify. Tags are a really handy way to organize and report on your expenses, whether you're tracking projects, clients, departments, or specific activities. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn tags on in your workspace, create new tags, and save them so your whole team can use them consistently. Let's start from inside Expensify. Once you're logged in, look over to the left side of your screen for the main navigation. Here, you'll see an option called Workspace. Go ahead and click on Workspace. This is where you manage the settings for your team or company, including categories, tags, and other configuration options. After you've opened the workspace area, look for the section called More Features. It's usually grouped with other configuration options. Click on More Features to open up the additional tools and settings that aren't shown by default. This area is where Expensify keeps things that you might not need every day, but are very useful when you're setting up your account properly. Inside the More Features section, you'll see an option related to tags, usually displayed as a toggle switch. If tags are currently turned off, the toggle will look inactive. Click the toggle to turn tags on. Once you've done this, tags will become available to use across your workspace. This is an important step because if tags are not enabled here, you won't be able to add or apply them to expenses later on. With tags turned on, you should now see a tags option appear in this same area. Click on tags to open the tag management page for your workspace. This is where you can view all existing tags and create new ones. On the tags page, look for a button or link that says add tag. Click on add tag to start creating a new tag. A simple form will appear where you can define the name of your tag. In the name field, type in the name you want to use. Choose something clear and meaningful, like a project code, a client name, or a department label so your team knows exactly when to use it. Once you're happy with the tag name, click on save. Your new tag will now be added to the list and will be available for use when you or your team members enter expenses in Expensify.